Hello everybody, today we'll be talking about this new operating system that has been going around forever. My wife is snoring and she's asleep, so I try to get this done while they're sleeping and I'm up taking care of the baby and stuff. As you can see, it's 12:55 a.m. and I'm up recording. It's actually snowing outside and it's beautiful. But terrible because I have a transmission took out of my freaking car. But let's talk Kubuntu, shall we? Okay. Anyway, I switched from Ubuntu, Linux Mint, what other operating system? I was using some pen testing stuff, but that was on external hard drives that I have just, well, not external, but I have these just laying around here. I have like 6 of these, so I use those as either backups to back up my stuff or other operating system. Anyway, why I'm using Kubuntu as my main operating system. One thing I don't like is this is inaccurate. I'm just keeping it on there just to show the theme. I'm going to adjust that a little bit higher like that. Highly customizable. That was one of the things I wanted to get into about this. This is a KDE desktop environment. So sorry, I'm picking stuff out of my eyes still. Which is probably my favorite desktop environment I have came across. Genome, I did try. I did try to use Ubuntu's 17.10. Probably the worst flop on an operating system that I've ever used. I hated it. Working around with it was slow, laggy, glitchy, consistently. Hard to use the root privileges. A lot of the X authority wasn't where it was supposed to be, and I had problems installing some things. Updating was somewhat of a hassle, and it was just all around a mess to me. The Unity launcher I still support. I love the Unity launcher. Don't get me wrong. It's although they've done away with it, it's still supported until 2021. So if you're using Ubuntu, that's fine. Keep it. Ubuntu 16.04, keep it. Because it's still got support until 2021. Maybe something will happen between now and then to where Unity will be not dead, as they say. Anyway, getting off to this. So we can go ahead next off of this. I'm going to show you everything that you really need to know. So you can open this up right here. It has all your information. Oh, it's so easy to use. So the first thing you can do is just configure your desktop, and you have all these pre-installed nice looking images, but I wanted something else, so all you gotta do is click open, and here it is in my pictures, and right there it shows up, and you can get new wallpapers and it'll open it up. And it has this inbuilt thing to where it has all these use. So you have your ratings, and it has this for the themes, the application, everything. And the way you customize this is endless. So all these, you just click install and it'll show up in here. Your mouse actions, I don't really mess around with that much. Location, show desktop folder, and all that. Icons, you can change the size of them, or you can get new ones. More preview options, you can show all this stuff like that. You can show all these if you want. I just leave that there. Filter, yeah, tweaks. And you got these, show desktop toolbox, which I keep up. Personal widgets, to move them and reveal their handles. I keep that up as well. Now, getting into this, all you gotta do is click this and click system, type in system settings. And if you want to find out about your system, all you gotta do is type in system as well. And about system is right there. Info center. So about system, as you can see here, kernel version 4.14. It comes with 4.13. I'll go ahead and update my kernel 4.14 because I just like a newer kernel. Intel times 4 i5 2.4 gigahertz. It's actually a 2-core processor with a 4 cache with 4 caches. Works the same as a quad core processor, kind of, sort of. Don't have to get into that. It's not about this. 7.7 gigahertz. Gigabytes. So 8 gigabytes RAM. 4 dedicated and 4 you can remove. The 4 dedicated is a DDR4, which is used to supply your GPU, your pre-installed GPU on this, which is not hard to get. But anyway, beyond that, you can go to your icons and choose icons and get new icons, get new themes. So if I wanted a new theme for these, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Get new theme. We'll go to the most rated ones. Now let's see. I think I've used Fanza before. Let's see here. Now remember, this is an Ubuntu system that is based off of KDE, not Genome, and not Unity, which I love. It's so simplistic. Anybody could use it. It's like Windows XP or Windows 7 for dummies. Like, it's easy. It's super easy. So let's go to Ubuntu. Let's click this one. And whenever you click this, it'll open up in the browser, or it should open up in the browser. It should. Anyway, and you can also look at the details about it and everything, and look at the screenshots of what it's going to look like, which is usually why I click the browser. But I can tell you right now, I do not like that. So we're going to go back. Let's see here what we got going on here. Let's go to details on this one. Eggs, what folder? No, I don't. Not my style. Oh, you see it's opening up now. I don't know why that took so long. Go ahead and exit these out because we can just view them from here. I click that again. Let's have it. Okay, Crystal Diamond. It kind of looks like a Mac OS to me. I don't like it. Not my style either. I'm picky. I'm very picky. So let's see what else we got here. I like more of a dark style. That's just how I like my desktops to look. Let's see, that's just not my cup of tea either. So let's scroll back up here. I think I see something that I might have liked actually. What is this? Let this load real quick. My internet connection's good, it's just sometimes stupid. Okay, I do like this. So all we gotta do, oh, I've got it already? Papyrus? Where is it at? I don't see it. Well, we can go ahead and just get it again. Get new theme. Rating. Here. Uninstall. And install again as a SGG. Okay. Is it going to load here? If we load it, I'm having some issues here. I don't know why. Well, Well, let's install a different one then. I'll figure that out here in a minute. Fanza. Don't like this one, too poppy for me. I'm so picky whenever it comes to this stuff. Let this load. Okay, I like this one. This isn't bad. So we'll go ahead and install this one. Collaboration. It's installing. So we'll do that. Now this is just for icons. This is just the beginning. This is gonna be a long video, so you skip through to whatever you want to learn about. Maybe I'll actually work on putting something in the description on points where I was at. Come on, install. Taking forever for some reason. Where did it go? It's still installing for some reason. Anyway, I need to go ahead and add some stuff back to this. So over here, all you gotta do is say if I wanted to let's go ahead and put my BitTorrent client back there. You just right click it, add to panel. It's gonna add right there. And I need to add a few more things to that. which is my internet, and where's my Firefox? We can just search it up. Firefox web browser. Go ahead and add that widget as well. It should pop up right here. Don't know why it's not showing anything, but it's there. I don't understand what's going on with that right now, but it's being stupid. Anyway, you get the idea. You can do that. It's not working right now for me, but I'm just gonna use this. Apply, and I gotta get my glasses. I can't see, and then refresh desktop. And whenever you click these folders, it will automatically reset that. You got your emoticons here, which I don't use. But anyway, you have your fonts, which you can install new fonts, change the sign, what they look like, and all that. That's kind of really long to do. I kind of like the default anyway. You got your desktop behavior here. So desktop effects, you can choose what you want here. So so if I wanted to do mouse mark, all I have to do is that, and then I'll be able to, allows you to draw lines on the desktop. I don't understand how that works, but you could just do that, and if someone knows how to do that, let me know, because I would like to draw like a big penis on here or something. Let's see, but you have all these wobbly windows. So if I click that, hit apply, there we go. You got wobbly windows now. That's pretty freaking cool to me. I actually like the way that feels. So we have magic lamp when minimizing windows. So you have all these pre-installed, and you can get more, which is neat. Screen edges, you got your active edge up here. We're going to change that to the bottom right. What does this do right now? Present, so we're going to do no action, and then we're going to do present windows all desktop. So I don't know why it's not doing it, but as you can see, when we go to the top right, I think I forgot to hit apply. Yep. So if we do this, it shows them all. Click off of it, it goes back to normal. Really freaking cool. So touch, this is for touch screen. Screen locking, virtual desktops. So if you have a VM. Activities, you have this, switching, privacy, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, back to here. I still love that, the way that feels. That's cool as hell. Workspace themes. Now, I need to get rid of a few of these, so we'll go ahead and trash some of these, which I need to do. I need to trash some of these. So get new looks, rating. And we need to uninstall some of these arcade. I have arcade. What? We'll install it. Okay, we'll just go ahead and install that. The arcade, which was what I was wanting to use originally. So go ahead and wait. Where's that? I don't get it. Click down and click up. So I guess this would be the arc. And if I hit apply, it's going to go ahead and change that for me. Now, if we go back to Breeze Dark, notice that done anything? I wasn't paying attention, so yeah, it does. It takes away some of these things, so you got to watch out for the updated ones, because some of them won't work with 17.10. So you got to keep up to date with these. Which kind of sucks because this is the newest version of Ubuntu, but it's just how it's got to be. But you get it. You can get new looks. Go by the newest, and it'll tell you. It's fun to get a new one. Let's see here. GTK theme art by Plasma 5 desktop. So you got to watch out for them. You just be careful. Anyway. Go over here, and you've got all the stuff that you can use for your desktop theme. I'm using the Breeze Dark right now, but if I want to, I could just use Oxygen and hit apply. And there we go. Oxygen looks pretty sweet, so I think I'm going to use Oxygen. Yeah, I'm going to use Oxygen for that. You can install new cursor themes, but you can install. You get it. You can install a whole bunch of shit. Wait, nope. Oxygen. Leave that alone. Cursor. I installed a Pulse Classic cursor that it. There we go. That's what it's supposed to look like anyway. I thought I had that already, but I guess not. And split screen, so I'm not sure what this is supposed to be about, but you can split your screens or whatever. Anyway, next off of that, go on over here to let's say you wanted to add or update your kernel, do a coup. So you can do that, and you can get OBS, which I had a problem with getting in Ubuntu 17.10 as well, because apparently I had to reboot and it wasn't supported, and then I'd have to go through and restart my system and do all this stuff, and the drivers just wasn't. They're supposed to be a lot more supportive, but they wasn't for some reason. And in Kubuntu, I have driver support out the ass. So let that go ahead and load. For some reason, out here it's okay, and then in here it's fine. So I guess it's just how it is at desktop environment. It's different. But as you can see here, it's going to load that up. Go ahead and open up our Firefox, which is kind of weird that it's doing that. But anyway, a coup. So, a coup. So you can just follow this. I'll have the links in the description, but I can't get this. I can't get a coup in the other one. A coup updates your kernels. So you got a kernel update utility. That's what it is. Ubuntu kernel update utility. A coup. It comes with 14.3. I go with 14.4. That's just my preference. I like the newest. Thanks, Grace. But you can't get that on Ubuntu Genome because you had to jump through hoops. Fucking retarded, and I hated it. Probably because it was using Genome instead of I don't know how the fuck it worked. I don't know how it worked, and finally I got it to do it, and it was just glitchy as hell, and I hated it. Also, the animations on this are beautiful. Slide to the top right. Minimize that, and if I open up another window and wanted it at the bottom, if I pulled it out of here, let's see, let's just search that. Then I wanted to what the fuck did I do here? Well, that was dumb. It's not letting me do anything here, so well, let's go ahead and open OBS, and if I want it at the bottom left here, you can see how it does this. So it has square rectangular boxes going on here, and if I have as my processor list right here anyway. Oh shit, cancel that. Anyway, so if I open up something else let's say formula editor. So this is LibreOffice. It comes with LibreOffice 5 pre-installed. Get that load up. First I'm loading it, so it's going to be a little bit rough. And we can just take it, pull it to the top left, and you can see how this works. And then if I go to the bottom right here, it's going to show them like that. And then I can exit off whatever I want. And exit off of that. And right there we go. So as you can see, it's very easy to use, simplistic, and this is wrong. I still hate that. I need a new CPU load monitor. Anyway, we'll go ahead and exit off of these too. Exit off of these right here. For some reason, okay, there we go. Go ahead and just minimize that for right now. Now, it has your frequency right here, your applications over here. Let's go ahead. You got your everything right here. So whenever you automatically log in, it's going to ask you to update, which is great. Automatically asks you to update, and you don't have to worry about going through some hoops to update some stuff. Development, translation, all that. All applications, we need to go down here to I need to add that to my panel as well. So I use Darktable and GIMP as well, which I need to add. There we go. Anyway, so it comes in pre-installed with all this stuff, and now let's talk about the software. I don't know if I went into detail on that. I just totally fucked that up. Discover software. It's called Discover on this. The interface on this is beautiful. Applications, Plasma add-ons, which is everything that you have here, and then some. So classified, I want to remove that. News announcements, OS X art collection. We can install that now, doc. I think I actually want that. Let's see what that is. I think I want that. Let's see, Genome, OS X, Traditional, High Sierra. But I just wanted the dock, so still looking. Let's see here. Oh, here you go, G2K themes. So here you go, you can install themes from here and look at them and stuff like that. Right from the Discover app. Now, I don't know where that dock went to, or if it even installed. I don't know how that's going to work right now, but I'll figure that out later. It's installed, so that's all that matters. I'll figure that out here in a second. But anyway, you can search whatever you want here. You got your applications. So say if I wanted to go into games, it's got all the newest games. So to show you, you can just search, I think Quake is actually on here now. If I'm not wrong, I spelled Quake. Well, this load. Why it's being laggy for. It's being stupid right now. Like I said, it still has a few bugs, but this is a rolling version, so it's going to have a few bugs in it. Still my favorite to use. I don't know what's going on with this right now. I might have to exit off of it and reload it. So it's not responding, so go ahead and terminate that and open it again. There we go. Applications, games, and Quake. There we go. Yep, all the newest Quakes, or all the oldest, all the old Quakes, are right here for you. And Quake 3 Arena. I don't know if anybody played that. It's a fucking awesome game. If you haven't played it, you should try it out. It's really super fun. Now, beyond that, it's super fast. It's whenever you first start it up, it doesn't feel like it's that fast because it has to go through all the updates and stuff. But once you get it and you update some things, it's a breeze. It's phenomenal. Everything on it is great. I love it. I'm trying to think of some more stuff I can go over. Let's see here, games. I'm gonna go ahead and install Quake actually because I love Quake. It's a fucking awesome game. So go ahead and install my shit real quick. Okay. That's about really all there is to go over in this. I mean, I can go over the info center. You can see here, it gives you, the info center I needed to go over as well, forgot. So it gives you this in the beginning, and it has your memory. So everything that's going on in your computer has a thing going on right here. So you got your physical memory and then total memory free and all of that. So I got 58 free and free physical memory, all that. Energy information, change percentage, energy consumption, or charge percentage. It doesn't matter. I don't know what this does. Wait. The features currently available for this device. So it's not available for my device right now, but I'm sure it will be in the future. File indexer, all that. Device viewer. So it'll show your processors, storage devices, and your battery. Channels, IOs, all this stuff. Your network information, network interfaces, all this. Probably should have marked that out, but it's alright. PCI Express, all this is where everything is ran from. So I'm running Xeon E3 7th gen core processor. I don't know what that's about. Okay, anyway, and that's that. And that's about it, guys. I'm extremely tired. It's 1:19 in the morning. I'm gonna see if I can edit this video and get to bed. Peace, y'all. Thanks for watching.